Experiencing volume problems with your Rogers Xfinity setup? Let's start with the basics to get your audio working. First, power cycle your Xfinity or Ignite TV box, TV, and soundbar by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Next, physically inspect all HDMI cables, ensuring they are securely connected. If you're using HDMI ARC, audio return channel, confirm it's plugged into the correct ARC-labeled ports on your TV and soundbar. Then, access your Xfinity or Ignite TV settings via the Xfinity button on your remote. Navigate to Audio Output Settings and select HDMI ARC. On your TV, enable ARC in the sound settings and set your soundbar to HDMI ARC or TV ARC mode. Also, use the Xfinity Stream app, iOS, Android, for remote volume adjustments and diagnostics. This can bypass some common software glitches. If basic checks don't solve the volume issue, reprogram your Xfinity or Ignite TV remote to directly control your soundbar. Hold the Setup button on the remote until the light flashes, then enter the appropriate code for your soundbar brand. For example, 11756 for Samsung. This ensures the remote's volume controls are linked to the soundbar. Next, investigate codec compatibility. Ensure your Xfinity or Ignite TV box's audio output format matches what your soundbar supports. Mismatched codecs can cause volume failures. If issues persist, factory reset your soundbar and update its firmware via the manufacturer's app. Expert tip: 90% of volume issues are solvable through HDMI ARC settings and remote reprogramming. So double-check these steps before seeking professional support. Consider using the Xfinity app's audio assistant for guided troubleshooting.